Hello and welcome to Fandom NY. We're glad to have you here. For today's video, I'll be making another setup, and this time I'll be using this backdrop stand with our shimmers right here. That said, we'll start off with this color right here. So this one we will double stuff in order to get this color that we wanted. Okay. So before we stuff this, inflate. Just like that, just to stretch the material. And after that, you release the air. You do the same thing on the other one. Use your balloon stick. So squeeze it. Now we will inflate the inside balloon. And now you want it rounded. So you have this. So now we will just tie the inside balloon. It's easier that way. Just like that. Now we will pair this with another balloon. So we will be making clusters of balloon. You pair this with another balloon. So just hold on to the inside balloon right here. That's when you tie them both together, not including the outside balloon. It's easier that way. Okay, so now you pair this with another balloon. This too. So it doesn't matter what size or how you inflate your balloon. Intertwine them, just like that. You have another one. Another one. Now you get clusters of balloon. So we'll put this on the side. You'll do the same thing on the 5 inches balloon. So I already have this. This would be our filler. So intertwine them like that. And then you need some rubber band. So now you need your rubber band. So I'll put this on here, just like that. It's a lot easier and a lot cheaper. I have another one. See how simple and easy that is. So you do this on all the colors. So the only color that we double stuff is this color. The purple is not double stuff, it's just the other color. All right, so we'll make a lot of clusters of balloon, and then we'll put them on the side. So now I'm gonna show you how to connect them. This is the back side. Front side is here. It's nice and glittery. This is how you connect. See this prong right here? Like that. So attach this here. You just have to connect them and push. All right. Now we're ready to attach our shimmer to our backdrop stand using our zip tie or cable tie. So I'll leave it loose for now so you can move it here or there. I will be using 2 different colors, so it'll be pink on the inside and on the outside is our silver. And there you go, it's done. This is our shimmer wall backdrop. So for the silver panel, we use 18 of them, and for the pink shimmer panels, we use 12. So now it's time to decorate them with balloons. Alright, so we'll start off with our purple. So just like I showed you earlier, we made some clusters of balloons, so it's time to attach them here. So we'll start from the bottom and then going to the top. And actually, I'll be using our fishing line. I will connect it here, right on the base. Right there, so it's not going nowhere. So I will make sure that this is facing on the front side. And by the way, you can always move this around if you want. There, and we can always add more later depending on how it looks. Alright, so moving on to the next color is this one right here. So now before we continue on to that clusters of balloon, we will attach this on the very top right here. So again, using our rubber band, put it right on here, and then we'll attach the balloon. So now we got the one on top, so we'll continue on this side. And as I said, we can always move this around later. So now we'll continue it right there and somehow connect them to that top clusters of balloon. So as you can see, there's a gap. I'm gonna add a little cluster of balloon right there, so it'll connect this. You don't want to make this too tight that it will buckle your backdrop, shimmer backdrop. So now we'll put this here, fill in the gap. So now on the bottom, I'm gonna make this a little thicker. So I'll move this around. So I use 260 balloon, I attach it, I tie it to my cluster balloon, and then just put it under. I will add this one. There's a rubber band tied to this. I'll put this on here. Alright, and there you go, our arrangement is finally done, and I also added this right here, this happy birthday neon sign. We'll turn this on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you, bye!